Hey, this is Dave at houseparents.com. If you've ever wondered what size air filter you need for your furnace, well, we're going to show you. Look at the size of that one. It's pretty thick, and they also make them really thin, but knowing which one is what we're going to talk about. First off, the actual square size of this is it's 16 inches by 25. That's one dimension that you need to be aware of. And then the second dimension is the thickness, the 4. This is 4 inches thick. They come in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. And knowing which one is pretty important. So I'll show you how we knew that this is the filter for this furnace. This is the filter drawer or door. Our furnace works by the return air coming down the furnace and then to the bottom of the plenum on which the furnace sits. And then so the air comes down here through the filter. It's heated up through the main cabinet here and then up through the rest of the house. So the change filter, it's usually going to be at the bottom of the return in a drawer or a slot. Okay, here's the old air filter we got, and when you put it in an air filter, like this is what it looks like on this is after it's been filtered, and so your new air filter would look something like that. In contrast to, that's the other side. And you can see how much that filter has caught over the time that it was in there. A lot of dust. And when you hold your filter up to the light and you can't see through it, you can just see those little bits of specks of light, those lines of light. That's where the pleat, where it turns. But everything else is just blocked. So, you know, this one was way in need of being changing. But that's why you have an air filter on your furnace. Look what it catches. And this is the filter that it came with. And that's usually a pretty good indication. But this drawer will fit, there's the 16 by 25 by 4. And that's what we're putting in here. Same thing, just one slides in, one slides out. They also tell you which way the airflow goes. And that's important. So we know that the air comes down here to the bottom and then up. And so the airflow, we want the filter to go in this way, which is real important. So we're going to stick it in like that. Because this air filter is so big, 4 inches thick, it'll last longer because there's so much more surface area in these pleats for air to pass through. If you only have a 1-inch filter, you have to change that every 1 to 3 months. Whereas something like this, a 4-inch filter, this can last, say, 6 to 9 months. Around 8 months is a pretty good guess. So anyway, once you find the right size, the square size, which fits into your cabinet, as well as the thickness, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 inch, then you just follow the airflow directions, and airflow is going up this way. There's the return duct. Comes down, and then we go inside the box, and there it comes into this area right here, and then the filter is in between this rail and that rail right there. It just slides in, and then the air comes in here and is filtered as it goes up. Airflow up, that's where it's coming from the bottom to the top. And it's just as simple as sliding it in. And so there's just a little bit of room there, but yeah, that's it right there. Put your latches down and you are good to go. Hope this video helps. If you got anything out of it, give us a thumbs up. It does help our videos along, so we really do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please do. We've got more videos coming. See you next time.